Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. We've been working on soldering the switch on the 250 here. The light switch, I mean. And been having problems with it. But I think we're almost to the point where we can hook it back up. Some people might find this boring soldering a switch, but some people don't even know how, you know. And at N.R.T, we show you the right way, the correct way to get the job done. Because that's what it's all about, is getting the stinking job done. Gonna do solder the end of the wire here. Dropping molten solder on my wire. What we're gonna do is we're gonna solder up the end here. Just like that. And what we're gonna do is what can happen, you see there. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, I think that's the best it's gonna get without replacing the switch. I mean, it's old. Gonna let that cool down. And we are going to try keyword try and make it go through here without breaking. And it keeps breaking, so I think we might just have to get a new switch because This switch solder keeps breaking. I can't get a good, I need a helping hand or something, soldering thing, because I can't get a good connection on it. Okay, we got the connection right there. I guess try it again. Guess it doesn't hurt to do that. Other one looks like it's pretty solid, but this one right here just